Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make arrow in Photoshop, and by following this simple process anybody can create the arrow. So for that, firstly we're gonna select the shape tool, which is just right here, and firstly we're gonna grab the rectangle tool and just draw the tail of the arrow. It would be just like this in my case. Now we're gonna grab the triangle tool, which is right here, draw the head of the arrow. I think this will be good. Go to this tool and just align the head just above the tail. Okay, by using the purple lines you can easily align the tail and head of the arrow. Now let's learn how you can resize the arrow. So firstly we're gonna select the first layer, which is for head, and the second one is for the tail. Hit Ctrl plus T, and now you can easily rotate the arrow. You can make the arrow a bit shorter or bigger by holding shift key from the keyboard. You can see that. Now let's say you want this tail a bit bigger or shorter. For that you just need to select the tail, hit Ctrl plus T, and hold your shift key from the keyboard and just drag in or out in order to make the tail shorter or bigger. Similarly you can just increase the width and just align it to the center. So it's that easy. Now if you are someone who want to curve his arrow, in order to curve the arrow, firstly let me just make the tail a bit bigger so that we can easily curve it. In order to curve the arrow, firstly we're gonna select the tail, go to pen tool, and from the pen tool we're gonna select this one, curvature pen tool, and now we can just easily drag this line a bit downward cause I want the curve like this. Similarly we're gonna drag the upper line. Okay, you can see that the curve is looking good. Similarly you can just move these lines to like however you want your curve to look like. Okay, now the curve is looking good, but the head is not perfect. To align the head perfectly, we're gonna select the transform tool first, click on the head, hit Ctrl plus T, and just rotate the head a bit like this and just put it here. And yeah, you can see that the arrow is successfully curved. Now let's learn if you want to change the color of the arrow, as well as if you want to add drop shadow or if you want to add stroke here, how you can do that. Firstly we need to create the group of tail and head. So this is the head, okay, and this is the tail. So just select both of them, hit right click, and here you will see the option for group. Here it is, group from layers. Click on that and you can just name a group. I'll just type arrow, click on OK. The group is successfully created. If I expand that, this was the head and this was the tail. In order to change the color of your arrow or add shadows to it, for that we need to select the group first, hit right click, go to blending options, and firstly we need to choose the color overlay. In order to change the color, I would love to choose blue color for my arrow. Okay, it's up to you, whichever color you like, you can just choose that from here. Now it's time to add shadows. For that, here you have option for drop shadow, so you can just click on that and you can increase the opacity of the shadow. You can like choose the distance. Okay, you can choose the angle of the shadow. So whichever you like, you can go ahead with that. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can make arrow in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.